NanoSPOTMAXX just makes cleaning fun, doesn't change the indoor environment, and it works really well. So let's do this cabinet. This thing is probably older than me, and you can just see the buildup on here. It's just amazing. So while that's soaking for a second, don't forget, in the family of NanoMaxx, we have the original NanoMaxx, which is for carpet cleaning, a detergent. You can use it for rinsing, you can use it as a pre-spray, you can use it as a booster, you can use it with any method, whether it's hot water extraction or bonnet or CRB, and it doesn't leave a negative residue behind. The only thing it leaves behind is clean and AFT. So you can see this just running down here already. It's even leaving a clean spot. I didn't even touch it. So we're going to just take this clean cloth, and it just comes off like magic. Look at that. And I mean, this is really old. It's even rusted, but you can just see that it just takes that filth right off of there.